today in this tutorial, we're going to look at vertex form and rewriting that equation into standard form of a quadratic function. Again, they're quadratics because of that x squared. So how can I get it from here to here? Well, I'm going to show you with an example. We're going to take, let's just take, I don't know, this equation that I just created. Y equals 2 times x plus 4 squared minus 3. Now my a value is 2, so obviously we've talked about the transformations as a little review. It's greater than 1, so what that would do is stretch your parabola vertically, making it more narrow. My vertex is -4. Remember to take the opposite. So that's a -4, so that's a shift left 4 units. And then a -3 tells me it shifts down 3 units. So that's just a quick review on transformations. And of course my a value is positive, so my parabola opens up. We could graph this thing, all sorts of fun stuff we are learning about quadratics. They are awesome. Okay, maybe you don't think so, but I do. I love quadratics. So how do I get from here to here? Well, we're just going to use order of operations. We are going to put this thing, get rid of the parentheses, get rid of the squared, and somehow transform, wave our magic wand, and it'll get there. Just kidding. All right, so the first thing I need to do is my order of operations says, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, remember that? So P is parentheses. I can't add the 4 and the x. So then comes next is exponents, but I can take care of this exponent. So what we're going to do is we are going to fix this. This can be done by using FOIL or the box method. Depends on who taught you, but that is a binomial that is being squared. So we can do the FOIL method or we can do the box method. And I actually show my kids a little shortcut because there is a rule here with when you've got, I forgot what this is called, drawing a blank. But if you have a binomial that's being squared, you can square the first term, you can square the last term, and I say we double the middle. So you'd multiply these two things together and get 4x, and then you would double the 4x, which is 8x, and it's positive. So that's my little shortcut. Square the first, square the last, and then double the middle. When you multiply these together, you just double that. And of course, you can review FOIL or box method and apply that there, and you get the same thing. All right, so that is the square taken care of. Put that back in its house because I have this 2 that's going to come down, and I have that -3 that's going to come down. Now I can, order of operations, I'm going to multiply, so I need to distribute my 2. So I get 2x squared plus 16x plus 32. Don't forget about your -3 out here on the end. And then I can combine like terms. So I've got 2x squared plus 16x, and when I put this together, I get a 29. So y equals 2x squared plus 16x plus 29. So that is vertex form is what we started off with, and we ended up in standard form. So again, to do that, you'd have to box or FOIL the parentheses here, or do the shortcut if you understood my shortcut. Square the first, square the last, double the middle. Super easy. And then bring down your 2, distribute, or your a value, whatever that value is, distribute it, and then combine like terms. Let's take a look at a second example. Let's do a negative value, like -1, and then we'll do x minus 2 squared minus 6. Again, we're going to take care of this parentheses business. Just realized I forgot my y equals here. How rude of me. All right, so we're going to take care of this parentheses squared business. Again, you can box or FOIL that. I'm going to use my shortcut. I'm going to square the first. Square the last is a +4. -2x doubled is -4x. Nice little shortcut there. Put that back in the house because I have to bring down my a value and bring down my k value. Distribute gives me -1x squared plus 4x minus 4. Bring down your -6. Combine like terms. So my -1x squared stays as is, just like the 4x. When I combine my -4 and my -6, I get -10. Don't forget your y equals in the front. And there is your equation in standard form. And that is the quick tutorial on Vertex form to standard form. Make sure you box or foil, distribute, combine like terms. Thank you.